eBay Incorporated is an American multinational e-commerce company that facilitates consumer-to-consumer and business-to-consumer sales through its website. It offers auction-style sales, instant buy-it-now shopping, and other services. Sellercloud's integration with eBay makes managing all your eBay orders easier than ever. Download all your inventory, prices, and orders, and track your shipments. Publish all your fixed-price listings directly from Sellercloud. Manage your promoted listings campaigns from within your Sellercloud account. Schedule and publish auctions from one central control panel. With Sellercloud, you can take advantage of all eBay international websites. Publish all your product specifications and compatibility info straight from Sellercloud. Sellercloud is fully integrated with eBay's managed payment system. Use Sellercloud to send eBay feedback requests to your customers, and so much more. To integrate Sellercloud with eBay, you should first have an eBay Seller Manager account. Once you've enabled this Seller Manager account, you can head over to Sellercloud. Go to Settings and choose Companies. Click Manage Companies and select your company. Go into the Toolbox and search for eBay. Select General Settings and click Edit. Click on eBay Enable and make sure that everything with your address is right. Enable the desired options. Select the eBay site that you want to use. Enable the controls that you need. Make sure to enable inventory control only after your SKUs are ready for eBay and have correct inventory in Sellercloud, as this will overwrite the information you have in eBay. Click Save. To link your eBay account to Sellercloud, head to the Actions menu and click Fetch Token. You will be redirected to your eBay seller account. Click Agree. You'll be redirected back to Sellercloud. Note that your token expires after approximately 1 year and must be renewed by repeating the steps here. You'll need to retrieve an Open Auth Token. This will let you receive payments from eBay into Sellercloud. If you don't get the Open Auth Token, your eBay orders will import as unpaid. To get this token, you must go to your company's eBay General Settings page, open Actions and click Get Open Auth Token. This will direct you to eBay. You'll need to log in into your eBay account and click Agree. Click Agree. Once you're done, you'll be redirected back to Sellercloud. Your authorization token will now be added to the Open Auth Token field.